Here we have a 5-gallon wet, dry shop vac review. I've had this probably 2 years. Done a lot of cleaning cars up with it. Used it quite a bit cleaning the swimming pool. Getting some of the grime out of there. You could actually suck up water with it and junk, and then just dump that out somewhere and then clean it up. Has a 2 horsepower, peak horsepower motor, wet and dry pickup, lower port, 2-year warranty on this. I have to give this a thumbs up. This works very good. I mean, I put countless hours on this and not had a problem with it. Comes with quite a few attachments. These are some of the attachments that comes with it. Extension, wands, 6-foot hose, 3 or 4 of these, pipe extensions, little vacuuming heads, and it's got a foam sleeve and inside that you can take out to clean it out. Reusable disc filter. There's also optional accessories you could buy from this, for this, which are these. Optional accessories, cleaning kit, multi-purpose nozzle, drain, 3-piece cleaning kit, and a upholstery nozzle. And down here's optional filters available you could get for it. Disposable filter bags, high efficiency bags. Again, this is a shop vac, 5-gallon wet and dry. To give this a thumbs up. It's a great product. Put countless hours on it without any kind of problem at all. Thanks for watching.